Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to post an article on Yahoo News or Yahoo Finance. Alright, let's begin. First of all, if I open an internet browser on my PC and search for Yahoo Finance, you can see that the Yahoo News opens up. So, in order to upload your news to Yahoo Finance or Yahoo News, you will need to get help from a website such as NewsReach. Simply open a new tab in your browser and search for NewsReach. You just need to access the top web link and the official website will open up. It is a PR firm specialized in press release. So we just need to get help from this page. If you want to publish your article on Yahoo Finance or Yahoo News or any other websites, simply get help from NewsReach by filling up a form, and when you submit, they will reach out to you. So that's basically how you can post an article on Yahoo News or Yahoo Finance. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.